The CBeebies bugs are all asleep. But now it's time to wake them up. Get, set, go! Remember to stay seated and keep your hands, arms and legs inside the bugmobile.
There's so much to do here at CBeebies Land. Down below is the Something Special sensory garden where you can look for the things in Mr. Tumble's spotty bag. Can you see what's ahead? It's the CBeebies house! But oh no! The bugs are all fast asleep! Shout and clap as loud as you can to wake up the bugs! Wake up, bugs! Wake up! Well done, everyone! The bugs are wide awake, so let's go on our way!
What can you see? I can see all of CBeebies Land. Can you see Upsy Daisy? Why don't we give her a wave? Hello, Upsy Daisy! She's in the night garden with her friends Piggle Piggle and Macca. What else can you see? Ah, there's Postman Pat.
I've made a mistake and mixed up all the parcels for Greendale. Would you like to come and join my special delivery service? That would be great. I'll see you later.
Can you see the CBeebies bugs painting some pictures? What do you think they're painting? What sorts of things do you like to paint? The CBeebies bugs help to look after everything that goes on in CBeebies Land. I wonder what they'll get up to next.
What happens here? It looks like this is where they make us bookmobiles. They pop up the tires and fill them with go-go juice, ready for their journey. Hooray! The bugs have topped up our bookmobile. Thank you, bugs. We hope you had a great journey riding the bookmobile. There's lots more to see and do in CBeebies Land. In the Big Fun Showtime area, you can meet some of your favourite CBeebies friends, like Hey Dougie, Bing, Piggle Piggle and Upsy Daisy.
Oh look! This bug has had so much fun. It's tired out. Thank you for helping us to wake the CBeebies bugs. You did a great job.